Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So, today I'm actually planning to do a vision board. As you probably see from the title, I am going to cut just some plain sheets of paper. And I didn't feel like measuring, so I'm just using one of the Happy Planners pages as a guide. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. My name is Kasha. I love planning. This whole channel is all about planning. So here we go. And if you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you. Thank you so much. I love you guys and appreciate you guys so much. So let's glue these pages together. They are going to be multi-pages that I'm going to be working through. So I'm just using a washi tape that I like. It's pink dots, like pink washi tape with gold dots, I mean, and it's pretty great. Okay, and my lighting is kind of weird because I am using natural light today instead of all of my lamps. So I apologize for that. There's like shadowing. But yeah, let's get to this. It's going to be a pretty big spread. So I'm thinking 3 or 4 pages. We shall see. I think 4. Yeah, let's do 4. There's a lot of things to put on here. I have prepped some of the stickers that I wanted to use ahead of time because it's going to be a lot. I printed my word of the year. I know that this year I haven't shared that in January. I made this a vision board at the beginning of February. I did put my award of the year in my journal, but I don't think I have shared it with you guys, so all of that is coming up. So let's just glue those pages down and go from there. So yeah, I'm gonna put all of this together and then we can go ahead and start working on things. So I'm gonna fold it to have the creases ready. And I'm gonna punch it so then I can put it in my planner. But I think I'm gonna punch 2 pages and 2 pages because the washi tape makes it very, very thick. Yeah, my head is sticking in here because like I said, the washi is making it quite thick. Yeah. So then I can just fold it. So first thing is first, I printed pages of stickers, I printed categories, and I printed my word of the year, which this year is balanced. And I just want to have a balance between work and life and friendships and kind of have all of my balls up in the air. And that is not an easy thing to do. So it's going to be a challenging year. And obviously, I'm not going to be able to achieve it every single time, but just getting closer to it will be great. I'm just using a glue stick and I'm going to also use this permanent adhesive tape. So let's glue this down right in the middle. The color will disappear, the purple edging. I know, I'm not a big fan of it either, but it's okay. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is self-care. I'm gonna glue that down and we're gonna do that together. So that's gonna be all the way up there. Make sure you guys can see in a second, but look how that purple is disappearing, right? So I have this page and yeah, I'm just gonna move this so you guys can see. This is a glow up page from Crafty Planner Queen. So I just wanted to use this for my self-care. I think this will look great. So we have bath salt, self-love, glow up, some towels, like all of these things that I love and care about. So it just meant such a like perfect spread for me with this one. So then I have like face serum, creams, nail polish, like all of these beautiful things that scream self-care. So that's what I added here. And I think that looks pretty good to me. Yeah. Let's see. Next thing is going to be relationships, and like that's my friends, my boyfriend, all of it. So family. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here and then go from there. So let's add a couple little things in here. I have pictures of couples and stuff, and I'm gonna use that in my planner for sure. Look at that. That's from last Valentine's Day, one of the images I purchased on Etsy. And then I have like this couple right here. I didn't print the best, but hey, it's okay. Let's see. Then I have like these girlfriends that are having the bestest time of their life. I'm adding that because who doesn't love a good group of friends? And of course, I have to add a Westie because that's a relationship too, and that one actually takes a lot of time out of my life. So yeah, all those things are super important to me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do physical health, so workouts and stuff. And this is again from Crafty Planner Queen. This is an active beauty. A lot of these pages will be from Crafty Planner Queen, and those were usually are either found in her Etsy or they're exclusive to a $2 Tuesday. So you can join that. And every Tuesday, she sends new stickers that are printable. So yeah, they're amazing. So I'm just gonna add all of this, and I think the self-care and the physical health go hand in hand. So I wanted to put them together, and I think that's kind of working out pretty well. Okay, so yeah, that looks good. One page done. Then on the next page, let's see, what if I do work? I don't know. Ooh, I have so many cool pages, you guys. They didn't print the best, but it's okay. I mean, like I said, this is kind of inspirational board for me. I love doing them and I love looking back at them. So I'm gonna go ahead and be adding. So we have career next. So yep, work. And we're gonna slay. We're gonna slay this time. So we have this boss babe that is drinking coffee. I love her outfit. I have this one, which was also a school theme, but who cares? I have all of these like shoes and stuff. So I'm taking bits and pieces from everywhere, and that's what I'm doing. So look at that girl. She was on my vision board before too. Then we have this one, some notebook. Yeah, girl boss. Chanel number 5. Like all of those things have to be on here. So we're going to say yes. So yeah, I think those things are so significant and I think it's going to look good. So I'm going to add a little bit of florals to that to break up all of the items in here because I think there's a lot to uncover in here. So yeah, we have career next up. Let's see, what should we do next? Maybe we can do hobbies and like recreational stuff. And outside of my planner, I do love travel. I love my dog. I love cooking. I love so many things. But what I want to do more of this year is probably travel because I have not done that last year at all. So let's see about this one. So we have a girl trip, like I said, a Westie, because how could I not? We have all of these traveling things that I'm going to be adding. I would love to do a girls trip this year, so we shall see. Let's add that, and then this, but let's also add the airplane. Perfect. Little globe. Yeah. And remember, the vision board is not, there's no recipe for one. Even though people might tell you that there's a recipe for one, just do what feels right. Like I said, every single one of these that I make is so different, and categories change and everything change. And some of them are very much loved by you guys, some of them are not, but they're always very, very loved by me. So just a heads up about that one. So yeah, I just need something to fill up that little center here. Okay, let's do that. And then the charcuterie board, because, or like the pasta, because obviously food with coffee, or is it a croissant? I don't even know what it is, but food then looks amazing. So yeah, and then I only have one more space left in here that we're going to be doing. So let's do that. But I'm also going to be filling out like the front of it with written goals and written wishes for this year. So that's going to be slightly different. So you will see in a second. So I'm just adding edging flowers because I do like having those in here, and I'm using blue ones. So let's go ahead and add like my homey stuff in here, I guess. Let's see. So I'm going to just glue this down. So domestic life. And let's add stuff. So I for sure, obviously, Westy involved in every aspect of my life. Just no surprise there. They're so freaking cute. I can't. And then I'm going to add some homey stuff that I want in my life. Like obviously, like a tidy closet, organized. Look how beautiful this sticker is. And then like books, everything that looks aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna add a garden, like all of these little things that I want in here, I'm adding. So time for planning. And then let's go ahead and add a candle and this big coffee. And I think that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I know this is huge and I absolutely love how this came out. Like I said, that the prints are not the best quality, but I don't even care. It's lovely. It's pretty. I'm going to pop it back in my planner. And yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think and we'll go from there. But yeah, this just opens and then you can go ahead and write on the blank pages in between. But yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.